In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can format your values right here in Google Sheets. So the values that I'm talking about are your dates, your percentages, and your currencies. So how do we format these values? In this example, I will be starting with the dates. Here in my first column, I have a classic format of having the month, day, then the year. If you wanted to change the format, all you have to do is select that range, go to Format here in the menu bar, select Number, and go to the very bottom where you can see Custom Date and Time. If you click on that, now you can select which type of format you can apply to your dates. Now that can be in Word format for your months, or stick with the numerical representations of that date. If you wanted to, let's say, start with the day first instead of the month, we can simply delete the format that is right here at the top. Then go to the drop down and start with day. There you go. Now you can apply either a / right here, then select the month, another /, then the year. Click on apply, and there you have it. Now we have the day first, then the month, then the year. And there you have it. Again, if you wanted to change that, just select the same range, go back to Format, go to Number, then select Custom Date and Time. Moving on to our budget and revenue columns right here. So these are values that are supposed to be formatted into currencies. Let's say for this data, we're going to be using a different type of currency, not just the US dollar that you see right here. So what I'm going to do is to select the first range for my budget, then go back to Format, go to Number, then select Custom Currency just above your Custom Date and Time. Click on that, and now you can select which type of currency you want to use for your data. Let's say we're going to use the euro. Click on it, click on apply, and here we have it. So I'm just going to adjust the size of that column to make sure it fits, and I can see all of the data within that column. And to quickly remove the decimal points or the decimal places for this range as well, I can go to Decrease Decimal Places on the toolbar, click it twice, and there you have it. Moving on to the revenue, we're going to do the same thing. Format this in the euro currency. So select that range, go to Format, select Number, then you can simply select euro right here since we've already selected it in the previous column. Click on it, and there we have it. Again, remove those decimal places, and here we go. Last but not the least, we have our discount rate and our conversion rate. These are values that I want to format as percentages. So what I'm going to do, since they're next to each other, is to quickly select that range. Then go to Format as percent in the toolbar right here, click on it, and here we have it. Again, remove the decimal points or the decimal places. And now we've completely formatted all the values on our data. And that's how you can format your values using the Format tool or your toolbar here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.